Yes, let us see how to solve this problem. What it is given here, f of x plus y by 2 is nothing but f of x plus f of y by 2 is given, and f dash of 0 is a and f of 0 is b. We need to find f double dash of x such that what f is a differentiable function and y is equals to independent of x. Is it okay? So first of all, let us see what is given here. What it is given, f of x plus y by 2 is nothing but what? F of x plus f of y by 2, right? And they are telling y is an independent of x. What is the meaning of y is independent of x? So y will be the term which contain no extra values. So it can be a constant, it can be anything else. Is it okay? So from this, what happened to dy by dx? I can say that a derivative of anything with where which is independent of x value will be what? It is 0 always. Is it okay? Yeah. So what we need to do? We need f double dash, right? For doing f double dash, let us differentiate this function with respect to x on both the sides. So what is the derivative of f? This will be f dash of x plus y by 2. We need to solve the internal derivative, right? Because the chain rule. What is the internal derivative? Keep 1 by 2 as it is outside. X derivative will be what? 1 plus y derivative will be what? Dy by dx. Is it okay? So the notation I can use dy by dx or y dash. Both are same only, right? Let us move on to the right side. What it is given here? This is 1 by 2 into what is the derivative of f? That is f dash of x. What is the derivative of y? F of y, that is f dash of y. And internal derivative for y is what? Dy by dx. So remember, we are doing with respect to x. I think up to here no doubts, right? So now let us move on here. So from this, what I can say, I just want now come to this comes to picture. What they are telling, dy by dx is 0. Why? Because y is an independent of x. So which means that dy by dx, this whole term will be 0 and this whole term will be 0, right? So what I can say, I can say that f dash of this is x plus y by 2. Is it okay? 1 by 2 into 1 will be what? 1 by 2 alone must be equals to 1 by 2 into this whole term removed means it will be f dash of x. I think up to now everything is clear, right? So what I can say, simply I can cancel 1 by 2 1 by 2 on both the sides. Is it okay? So finally what I'll be getting? I'll be getting f dash of x plus y by 2 must be equals to what? This is f dash of x. Is it okay? Yeah. So what they are telling, they have given something. What they are telling? F dash of 0 is a, f of 0 is b, right? F dash of 0, they said no. For making, they have given f dash of 0 is a and f dash 0 is b. This is what they have given. This is a given. Okay, I am not taking from anywhere. It is given in the question, right? So for if you want to apply this one, what I will suggest you is simply take x is equal to 0, okay, and y will be what? Y is the x value. Is it okay? Why? Because you got what? X is 0 now. So let me substitute. You will understand why I have taken this one. Is it okay? So if I substitute f dash of x is what? 0 plus y is what? Y is simply x alone. So this will be x here. Is it okay? This is x by 2 must be equals to f dash of x is what? 0. Is it okay? If you check properly, f dash of 0 given it as what? This is given it as a alone. Is it okay? This is from the given. And what about left hand side? 0 plus x value will be x. So this will be f dash of x by 2. I think you understood up to here, right? So from this, what I can say, f dash of x by 2 is 0. Is it okay? If you want to remove the differentiation, what should we do? Because you have f of 0. If you want to apply the derivative of this, so if you remember one thing, differentiation and integration or what? So I can say that one is the log antilogism, that kind of a thing. This is known as a differentiation. Integration, another name is what? Antiderivative. Is it okay? Whenever if you want to remove the differentiation, use integration. Whenever if you want to remove the integration, use differentiation. That is what we'll be going to do. So now what I will do, I'll simply not differentiating, integrating this function. Is it okay? So try to integrate, okay, this function with respect to x alone. Is it okay? What I'll be doing here, integration of f dash of x by 2 must be equals to integration of f. Both sides I'll be applying. Is it okay? This we'll be learning in integration topics, right? So the integration and differentiation will be removed here easily. So this will be f of x by 2 is equals to a will be taken out. Okay, what we are doing, we are integrating with respect to x. So that is what I will mention here. Okay. So a into one derivative will, sorry, one integration will be what? X alone plus some constant c will be there. Is it okay? I am applying integration here, remember, right? So from this, what I can say? So this is x by 2 is there. So in place of x by 2, what we can do, we can actually replace x by 2 with what? Simply x alone. Is it okay? Sorry, yeah, let us take, or we can do one thing here. Here only we are having x, right? So what I will do is, try to take this as multiply by 2, divide by 2. Is it okay? What I can do here, simply replace x by 2 with x. So what you will be getting? F of x is equals to 2ax plus c. Is it okay? Now what you can say, simply replace x is equal to 0, because for replacing, substituting f of 0 is equal to b only, I have done integration. Is it okay? So simply take x is equals to 0. Agree? We got f of 0 is equals to b, right? So if I take this, will be f of 0 is equals to x is 0 now plus c, right? What is f of 0? F of 0 is nothing but b alone. Just now I have given, so b is equals to c. This is the condition I got. Is it okay? Yeah. So from this, what I can say? I can say that f of x is nothing but what? 2ax plus b. Is it okay? Any doubts up to here? Huh. So try to differentiate this function. If I differentiate this one, what is this? F dash of x value will be 2a. Is it okay? Now try to do double differentiation. What is double derivative of x? This is nothing but what? Constant derivative will be always 0. Is it okay? Now come to the question. Why I have done this whole thing here? Because they are asking you to find f double dash of x. Are you getting my point? If you want, I'll give you some little bit of summary what I have done here. We have a given thing. First of all, I have differentiated this one. They said that y is independent of x. I have taken dy by dx as 0, right? I have done derivative for this. I have substituted the given values. If I take x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, I got this one. But what I want f of 0, right? Means a f a function only I should need. For getting f, to remove the differentiation, I will be applying integration. After that, I got f of x. So this is the way. I just want to substitute the c value unknown. We'll be doing this in integration. So I have substituted the c value. So this is our final f of x. What they want? They want f double dash of x. I have differentiated once. I have differentiated twice. Is it okay? I think up to here everything is clear, right? So this is the answer. Okay. Okay then. Thank you.